The MCP Master Income Trust has been designed to provide investors with a diversified exposure to Australian corporate loans. And so we lend to Australian corporates directly. We're direct corporate lenders. And what that means for our investors that invest in the MCP Master Income Trust is that from day one, when they allocate capital to our fund and invest, that capital is deployed or diversified across a holding of not less than 50 individual corporate loans. And so what we're seeking to then provide our investors is a stability of capital through a well-structured and diversified portfolio of corporate loans, and seeking to provide our investors with monthly income, and we're targeting a minimum return of the RBA cash rate plus 3.25% net of fees. We lend to a broad range of corporates in Australia. Some of them are very well-known household names, like Woolworths, for instance. We also lend to some of the largest projects in Australia, so government PPP projects and infrastructure investments. So, for instance, the Eastern Distributor Motorway. We lend also to a range of companies in the property sector, companies that are also well-known household names like Lendlease. And then we provide funding to a range of private equity firms for acquisition financing requirements. In Australia, it's really difficult to get access to genuine, true corporate fixed income. Most of those opportunities sit on bank balance sheets. And so for most Australian investors, the ability to access a diversified pool of Australian corporate fixed income is very difficult. And so we think that the income and the risk profile associated with lending to companies like Woolworths and Origin Energy are attractive. You know, the income that flows from the interest payments and the fee payments that those companies make to their lenders is what flows through to our investors.